Welcome and thanks for stopping by. I'm Digital Micro, and you're on the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel, day trading for an ROI payout. No trade recommendations, no trade signals, not selling indicators. This is just my trade journal where I analyze price action. So we've got price action order flow levels Thursday, August 3rd, 23, and we have a sell-off continuation in Globex. Europe's already happened, and there is a news catalyst at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. You can see left, we've got the NASDAQ, we've got the S&P in the middle, and the dollar continues on the rally upward. So let's get into the charts. So I want to start with the middle chart here on the 24-hour. This is where we're at 36 handles in Globex, and the 3-day average is 52, but 36, and it's just an hour outside of the London. That is pretty good range. So New York midnight open 45.42.50 and London 45.25.25. So this blue teal is a weekly fair value gap. We've dug into the consequent encroachment, and the yellow here in the middle of the blue is a daily volume imbalance. And then below that, we've got new week open gaps right before July 4th. So that is coming in at 44.85.82. Folks, nothing's off the table here on the downside. We've had so much fluff all summer and very severe technical damage short term. Again, we could recover on non-farm payroll Friday, and we do have Apple and Amazon, which are Titan giants of earnings at the close of Thursday. We'll look at the Renko, but right now we do have monster gaps above. You see this new day open gap. It never recovered. You could drive a truck through this gap here. And then here we are on this new day right here, and we're already in Thursday down here, and we have a gap here forming. So we're just not looking at any of this abating. On the right side, we have the dollar still going up. If dollar's going up again, that is going to help support downward action on the equity indices. So again, I'm just making sure I watch everything. So let's go to the next chart on the next time frame. 1 hour chart. So this yellow rectangle, this is the 4-hour fair value gap. I'm treating this as an inversion fair value gap. So if we got back up in here, I'd be likely, depending on the time of day, to want to take a short here. But right now, we're still going down. And you can see here again, as I pointed out earlier, we've got the weekly fair value gap here in, what is it, a teal. And then this yellow is the daily volume imbalance. I totally expect that to be hit this week. And then below there, the new week open gap is the next leg down, the magnet of attraction on this new week open gap. Below that, we have the 6:30, June 30th open for regular trading hours. So all these are levels below. And even if we were to retrace up, I'm looking to be on my bias short when we have rallies up, but we don't have a rally up, and I'm not going to chase this down in the hole. Let's go to the Renko next, because that's really telling a big story too. Okay, I really wanted to zoom out here with this Renko Keltner Hama, because the picture's been for a day and a half, lower Keltner blue, and it just continues. So lower blue, 45.12, the red middle, 45.35, and the upper 45.57. Okay, so if I was going to take another short, number one, the rule is price has to be above this red before I even consider it, and I have to consider the time of day. That's not happening right now, but the red again is 45.35, let's call it. So I'm going to watch this real carefully with the hour time frames, with the order blocks, and again, the news catalyst, 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And of course, post-Thursday close, we've got the big earnings on two titans, Amazon and Apple. So let's watch that. And of course, the end of the week, Friday, non-farm payroll. So maybe just prudent to wait for the non-farm payroll to print and then go from there. So I'm going to be holding on to cash, watching this, staying out of trouble. That's the main thing. Before I be a good trader, I need to be a good analyst and preserve capital, both mental and financial. Aloha, take care. Thanks for watching.